Hello, my lovely viewers. Today I want to show you something, how to prepare cassava burger locally. So let me just show you directly. This is sieved cassava. So this is cassava burger that they are doing locally. You have to get a pot with water in it, and it will be on the fire, and you seal it airtight. There shouldn't be any steam coming out from the pot. So as you can see, she has poured a sieved cassava dough. So this is one. So first of all, you get the cassava, you grind it fresh. The next morning, so you add, the next morning you sieve it. At least it should be dry small. So as you can see, it's kind of like semi-dried. It's not wet. So you dry it, and you mold it like this, dry it on the sun for about 5 hours. So after 5 hours, it should be semi-dried. So as you can see, this is semi-dried. You sieve it nicely to give you a smooth, fine cassava flour like this, or a kind of a powder form. Then after getting this, then you put it on the fire. So as you can see, it is already cooking nicely. It should be on the fire. So the steam coming from the water will cook it. So it should be on it for, let's say, roughly 3 minutes to 5 minutes. You cover it so that the steam coming out from the hot water will cook it. Now, one very good caution: when you are cooking, make sure there's water in the pot. So time to time you should be checking and be pouring the water in the pot so that it will not finish. So this is a cooked one. This completely cooked. It's very hot. It's fine. You can taste this. So this is already cooked. So as you can see, this is how it is looking. So this is cassava burger. She's sieving. This is how to prepare cassava burger locally. You sieve it. We are waiting. So you sieve it nicely to get a very fine cassava flour. So as you can see, the chaff in the cassava will be left on the sieve. In Ewe, they call this agbaje. Yes, baje. So they use it for sieving. And it's the same process Gary goes through. So after sieving, this is how it is looking. Very nice and fine. Very nice and fine. Good. So now 5 minutes is over. So now it is fully cooked. You just remove it, then you let it cool before selling it. So this is made from cassava. Now, caution so as you can see, she's going to do the next process again. So if you find yourself in a cassava environment and you are looking for what other products to get from cassava, you can do cassava burger and sell it. I think a week ago or some 5 days ago, I went to Takrady and I came across the cassava burger that they were selling in the market, around market cycle. And honestly, this is one of the Ewe food that they eat. So I chose to buy some because it's been a long time that I took some. When I bought it, in fact, it's been a long time that I ate it. It's been a while that I took some of this cassava burger. So now that we went to the farm, harvested some few cassavas, and we are doing it. This is just for a test. So I just want to show you how to prepare a cassava burger locally. So if you are in a cassava environment, you are looking for other means or other products to derive from cassava, you can do this cassava burger. This is just, it's not actually plant content. It's one time content, unscripted that I'm doing. So this is just the procedure. So you have your cassava, you grind it. You can hand grind it, not necessarily grinding it in a mill. If you can do that, you do that. If you cannot do so, you can go and grind it in there. So you can grind it in the cassava, and don't add the fermented cassava. Locally, some people call it kudemi. Don't add that one. It's just the fresh cassava you grind, and that's all. You squeeze the starch out of it. You dry it. Then after drying it, when it is semi-dry, you sieve it nicely so that it can be able to come out of the sieve. Then you have your steam water ready. So let's see how this one is going. So it's almost cooking. So let's leave it for another 1 minute. Then it will be fully cooked. So far, this is how to prepare cassava burger. If you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section. And kindly like and share the video for us. So I'll wait till the third one is fully cooked before I cut the video. So we are testing to fully check. Good. So we are checking. So this one, you don't need to turn it upside down. No, it's fully cooked. Within 5 minutes, the steam that is really coming out is enough to, or vapor coming out of the water is enough to cook it within 5 minutes. So locally, this is how we prepare cassava burger. This can go with pepper, with fried fish. This can go with, so this can go with fried fish with pepper, or it can go with beans. So this is a cassava burger that we've done locally. In Ewe, we call it Yakayake. The hunters call it etuku. Etuku, good. The enzymers and the hunters, they call it etuku. But we, the Ewes, we call it Yakayake. It's made from cassava. You can eat it with beans, bean stew. You can eat it with grounded pepper, with fish. That's the combination that it goes with. It's very sweet. And when you take it, you can drink a lot of water because it's quite heavy in terms of weight. So this is something locally I want to share with you.